Good morning, sir. Myself, Shalini, working as an associate professor at Maharana Pratap Horticulture University, Karnal. To conduct this research, this project, I have my team of young scientists working at regional research stations. Yes, sir. Yes, methodologies. Okay, sir. Sir, basic need to carry out this research. Haryana state basically is known for agriculture prosperity, having a climate range from dry, humid to arid area, making it ideally suitable for wide range for horticulture crops. It is very suitable. Our state major जो crops we are area में जो cultivate हो रहे हैं, that are the guava, mango. One is these some subtropical temperate like peach, pear, these and kinnu especially the citrus groups. That means with the on the basis of the data, it is we have observed that 70,290 hectare area is under the fruits, with the 2,70,374 million tons of production. But when we talk about these minor fruit crops, the area is nil, and when we as per data we also have observed that there are only 72 certified nursery in our state, and all these are having major fruit crops, not having these minor fruit crops. So we wish to work on these minor fruit crops with these varieties, for Dina, Puna Fix, for Fig, for Goma Yashi, Thar Divya, for Karonda, Thar Kamal, Jamun, Goma Priyanka, Phalsa, Thar Pragati, Prickly Pear, Opuntia, and mulberry, Thar Lohit, Thar collection for carambola, sour and sweet varieties. Presently, we are having five regional research stations. We have developed mother blocks, but all varieties are not available. But few germplasm is there. We wish to enrich our these centers with new varieties. We will purchase from a certified nurseries. So our major objective for this proposal is that we will establish state of art of nursery for large scale production of certified quality planting material. We want to promote crop diversification through area of expansion under nutritious crops, strengthening the farmer capacities via training on orchard establishment as well as in management, enhancing the climate resilience, soil health, and sustainable income generation. Methodology, what we will opt, these are the five regional research stations under our university. For this, we will use a cluster approach. We will cover all over Haryana district. Usually there are 22 districts in Haryana. For this horticulture research station, Anjan Thali, we will go with the crop fig and jamun by covering the two districts. That is, one is Kurukshetra along with Panipat. With this, Shahad Captain Pavan Horticulture Research Station Badhana Jeend wish to work on phalsa, prickly pear, and jamun by covering the district of Kathal, some part of Hisar. These horticulture research station Raya Chhajjar wish to work on mulberry, Bael, and Karonda by covering the district of nearby, that is at Rohtak, Mehendargarh, Rewari, Mewat. Other one is the horticulture research station Khadkari Bhiwani. We wish to work on fig, Bael, Karonda. We will cover the area of some part of Sirsa, some part of Hisar. Other one is the regional research station Chansoli, which is situated near Ambala. We will cover the district of Ambala along with that is Yamuna Nagar and Panchkula. We wish to cover all over Haryana with these minor fruit crops. For this, we will select community lands from the panchayat for having our orchards. This orchards usually will be of 1 acre area uh, specified, and up to 50 acre area we will wish to cover. Since we are working on these, we will work on these five regional research stations. We have divided at least each regional research station will cover 10 acre areas, so that at least 50 or above 50 we can cover in Haryana. Methodology, what we will be opting, one is the nursery and planting material development. Production of 25,000 high quality material will be developed saplings over 3 years. Development of certified mother blocks for disease-free planting material. So since we are having little bit germplasm at all regional research station, we will enrich them by purchasing from ICAR Institute as well as certified nurseries. We will establish 2 rural nursery entrepreneurs, at least 5 model orchards for demonstrating these improved varieties and best practices, plantation on food-based agroforestry system on degraded lands, and enhanced utilization of wasteland. For this, we will require capacity building, that is around 3,000 farmers with the rural youth will be trained, and at least 30% women should be there. Leaflets, training videos, and mobile advisories will be given during their training programs. And we wish to collaborate with FPOs, farmer producer companies, self-help groups for promoting the cultivation of these indigenous fruit crop. For this, we will be doing monitoring as well as an evaluations of baseline survey that will be done initially, and the land will be the wasteland, especially of panchayats. And then annual survival and performance report will be taken, and then survey based impact assessment report will be done on their income. Initially it will not be there. After 3 years we will be in touch with them. Major part is that after developing these orchards, we wish to collaborate these farmers with MIDH. The state Haryana is having a MIDH scheme where they provide subsidy to the farmers for making their orchards, along with the nursery if they want to opt. Some 50% and 40% subsidies they have already given to the farmers, but not on the minor fruit crops, but they have done with the major fruit crops. For this to carry out these project, for initial 6 months survey exploration of wasteland. For this we will take help from FPOs, farmer produce corporations, self-help groups, and even horticulture department for establishment of these indigenous nutritive fruits. And after that 7 months, when July come, we will multiply the elite cultivars and aware the creation awareness to the farmers regarding indigenous fruit cultivations through training, exposure, and capacity development for rural nursery entrepreneurs. After that, from 13 to 18 months, we can distribute these elite planting material and train them in the scientific manners. After that, from 19 to 24 months, we will go for a multiplications, capacity development, and establishment of rural nurseries. Then again, few more areas we will cover by distributing the planting material. And after that, the report writing, leaflets, various video success stories of that areas will be compiled. What will be the social impact on the nutritional? By doing this, at least 50-acre area will be covered. We will have a collaboration with FPOs, that is Farmer Produce Corporation, self-help groups. They will help us to take care in future. Other one is that at least 2 rural nurseries and 5 model waste orchards will be role model for them, how to promote more in future. By this we can increase in future 30 to 40% food cultivation, and nutritional security will be one of the criteria. Here these are all minor fruit crops that are the opportunity crops. They help little bit take care they required, and they will help. Yes, sir, Bajat. Sir, for this initial year, we will require this capital cost about 5, this is in US dollar, 5,200. For first year, we will require 20,400 for first year, in which we will go for the capacity building also. With operational expenses, we will include the farm models, travel contingency, and contractual project staff. And then second year, we have required 17,200 US dollars. Third year, 19,200 US dollars, and overall $60,800. And from our university, we will wish to all the facilities, basic facilities, what a university can provide, we will try to support from our side. Thank you so much.
Infrastructure or mother plants are available?
Sir, few varieties which I have mentioned, sir, few germ plasms
No, Jumplas is different thing. They are at the age of taking cynistics, number one. Number two, it is suggested that you have all those things at one place. That's why the things will not be diluted. The infrastructure will not be required much. It is a very good project, but it has to be at one place. It can be taken up.
Actually, I want to address that this university have these 5 regional research
No,
stations.
that is regional station. It's okay, but infrastructure.
Then it has to go to RKV. Why you have to come to this problem? Here, our focus group is different. Our purpose is that those small and marginal farmers, they need to be addressed. They are a client. You get my point?
Yes, sir. We will actually these horticulture.
From zero, I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
So basically, you need the project fund for infrastructure development of 5 of your regional stations. So that is not the central idea of this project. You could have your areas selected.
Okay,
What is
sir.
the focus group? What had been entire CFI, we are building the project based on those requirements. This is much of like you have to have this because minor fruits are not there. Something is not there, you want to introduce, and timeline is 2 years, then you're made it to 3 years. So that is not the idea of anything from zero. We don't want to have already some research or some more. All of them, they are showing something they have done. They want to scale it up, or this is the target group further, where our beneficiary number and how they can be helped through this project. That is the idea. I don't know. Still the funders and the experts will take a view. But this is, in my view, that we don't want to start from scratch.
Thanks very much for the presentation. You're a university, and you already highlighted at the beginning you're going to be working with a lot of young students. Could you say a little bit about the way you're going to integrate research projects additionally into this, in terms of master students or other students that are going to be working integrate from the university side?
Sir, actually, we are preparing the planting material. Since this university mother blocks, we have started like 4 years back. So hope so. Technology already have been standardized in India, sir, and we know that techniques very well. But only simply our main objective was to multiply the planting material for the local people of Haryana, and tell them what these minor fruit crops, they are so rich source of nutrition, and if they come on their plate, it will enhance their local people. So that was with that mean the students who are from different areas, we want to create an interest in them so that they can have their own nurseries in future to promote. Because mostly it is in horticulture universities, so we have to deal with only horticulture crops. So that was the main objective. So.
I was kind of getting at what the research questions that you might explore as well. Additionally.
Sir, nutritionally, research point of view, sir, please, sir, actually, before joining this campus, sir, I was working at Udaipur. I have already worked in this research regarding this nutritional crop. But since I've joined in this campus, what major basic resources I've got, I'm trying to upscale them. We want to enrich them with more germplasm, and student get involved, and nearby.
But Chris is asking, do you thought about some of the research innovation questions and the ideas which your students can address those
Sir,
things?
when
So you have
Orchard
the MSc
established,
student, you have PhD student there in the university.
yes, sir.
So how to involve those into, and then some of the research question you design, and then how the problem can be taken up by the students in the university?
Yes, sir, definitely the nutrition management along with the canopy management. We are teaching in the basic classes. Simple, when it will be in the field, we will practically do and conduct research of MSc, PhD on it.
Because university should involve the PhD student in these
Right.
issues here in the program. Okay.